So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the Siri name on your iPhone. Now in order to do it, just simply open the settings of your iPhone. Now in the settings, scroll down until you see this option of accessibility. There we go. Here click on this option. Once you go inside the option, scroll down until you see this option of vocal shortcuts. Just simply tap over there and hit on this option of setup vocal shortcuts. Once you click over there, hit continue, and in the search bar simply search Siri. And once you click over there, just simply enter a command, the name which you want to give to your Siri. For example, if I give it Jimmy, and if I hit go, now it will ask me to say Jimmy, 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 and there we go. Now if I say Jimmy, and my Siri will activate just after I say. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.